Hi, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to create for setting up our Next.js app for the Flipkart clone project. For this application we are going to build in Next.js along with TypeScript. So for that, what we need to do, we need to type npx create next app. Okay, this is the command we need to use. There I am going to use latest and the project name Flipkart clone. So the template what we are going to use, TypeScript. I am going to use TypeScript and using ESLint for formatting. So ESLint, hit enter. So what it will do, it will create a package for us. So it is checking which is the next app latest version CLI. So it is saying 13.4.1 as of when I'm recording that video. So I'm going to click yes, hit enter. So it's asking Tailwind CSS you need to add. Yes, I'm going to add Tailwind CSS because we are going to use Tailwind CSS for this application. So I hit enter. So it's asking the new directory setup. So would you like to use src directory with this project? So this project, basically the project is that applications is creating all the files under the src directory. So I'm going to use the yes, and next it will ask would you like to use app router? Yes, I want to use app router. And you need to use any import you need to use any customs alias. Yes, so this customs alias I will explain later. As of now we'll give yes. So what is the align you need to use? As of now the default whatever it is, I'm just giving that star. So I will explain in this all detail in the upcoming videos. Click hit enter. Now the project is initialization is started. So all the required packages going to install. We'll wait for some time to installation complete. So it is almost installation is completed. We'll wait a couple of more minutes. Yeah, it is installed all the packages, required packages. You can see here 351 packages added here, and you can run if you want to run. First what I need to do, I need to go with my project cd Flipkart clone. I went inside. So you can see here I went inside my project. Now what we need to do, we need to install some couple of packages for Tailwind CSS. So what I can install, so I'm going to use Yan is my package manager. So I'm going to use Yan, add development Tailwind CSS, Post CSS, auto prefixer. This all CSS, this all the packages we need to add first. I'm going to hit enter. So it is verifying all the packages, record packages, and it is fetching, and it is installing all the record packages from the package manager. And now everything is installed. Now what we need to do, the Tailwind we need to initialize the Tailwind. So for that what we need to use, we need to use a command npx and Tailwind and css init p. If I hit enter, so it will initialize all the Tailwind configuration for us. Already it exits it's saying. So now what we need to do, we need to use, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code for my editor. So I'm just hitting code and dot. If I click code dot, what it will do, it will open Visual Studio Code for code in our system. So once the Visual Studio Code is opened, it is asking to trust this. Yes, I'm going to trust this. So all the configuration here you can see, by default my TypeScript Tailwind configuration, it is taking from src, all those things. So to avoid this many configuration, already we are using for src directory. So for that, what we can do, src double star and forward slash single star, all the things you can use, and you can remove these two lines. It's not required anymore. So you can see here, this is enough for us. So again, it is saying some background image. If you anything you want, this is by default is there. If you later we can correct whatever is required for us. As of now, the default, the Tailwind configuration is success or not, we need to see. That's what I'm not going to change anything anymore here as of now. So now I'm going to global.cs. So you can find it global.cs under the src folder and global.css project. So whatever it is there here, Tailwind everything is there, all the basic default thing is configured. Okay, now cool. Now what we can see here, you can see the layout and pages, all those things. I don't want anything under this page, so I will remove all those things. Just Tailwind purpose, what I'll do, I don't want to layout what it is there, just check. Just it is saying class name and children. So now it is taking us page. So this I don't want anything. I'm going to remove all those things by default, whatever it is generator. So I will delete it, and I'm going to create one small tag like a h1 tag, and we can create some test. Hello, welcome to learning. Welcome to Flipkart clone. Development. Okay, so here you can see I'm not applied any classes or anything else. Now I'm going to my command prompt. I'm going to type my command prompt to npm yarn dev. So hit enter. So the yarn dev is started now. You can see here. I'm going to open this. You can see hello, welcome to Flipkart clone application development. Something is came, but this all background everything is coming. It's nonsense. So don't want anything here. So I will remove all those themes, whatever it is currently. So theme extend background image. I don't want any background image. I will remove this. Now you can see here how it is behaving. Still you have. So global CS also. I don't want anything background related things as of now. So I'll remove. You can see here nothing is applied. Like Tailwind CSS, nothing is applied. So what we'll do, we will apply some styles here, and we can validate that Tailwind is applied properly or not. For that, what we need to do, under this h1 tag, I'm going to apply class name. Okay, what are the class? For example, in Tailwind, we can use something text 3XL. I'm going to use 3XL font, bold. You can see underline also, underline, and we can see text color. Text color, what I can give for time test purpose, I can give some color. So I can give cyan 700. Now if you save this, you can see immediately this Tailwind is applied. So now we are successfully applied the Tailwind CSS, configured Tailwind CSS. So coming video we can set up all other stuff. Thank you for watching my video.